A visit by founder Leomars Liao, touches of Children's Day joy, a reference to the heritage rebuilt by an entrepreneur. Today, founder Leomars Liao visits a place where history breathes again, an ancient royal palace reborn through one entrepreneur's dream. He didn't come alone. We came as a community, users, dreamers, children at heart. This place, once lost in time, now shines again. Each step reminds us, even forgotten things can rise. We walked royal halls dressed in pride, because ATOSHI believes every user carries worth. Long corridors, golden light. It felt like walking inside a fairy tale. We reached Chiai's Zodiac Plaza, a sacred symbol of time and wisdom. Nearby, the lotus pond whispered calm. Even without flowers, it taught us quiet beauty. We saw the monkey water ritual, a reminder that culture lives when people care. The sun was warm, the breeze was kind, children laughed, hearts smiled. This Children's Day reminds us, hope begins young, and dreams like ATOSHI grow with time. From past to present, ATOSHI walks with you, building not just a project, but a legacy.